here is new app called 2025 Wrapped, your camera roll recap. Your year wrapped, see your stats from your camera roll, like your cutest photo, your best friend, who felt of the most. It's a new viral app. It's renamed, offers paid renewable subscription TWLY Pro, which grants access to premium recaps. And then there is $4 per week. So this is just basically get your camera roll and organizes a wrap for you from all your photos in here. So then you can just see, you can just open it up. Why it says it's a demo, you need to give access to all your photos. You can also give access to your Instagram, then also Snapchat, TikTok. So it's also generating from TikTok and Snapchat and so on. And then you can just see it like that. So now, you can just see the details. This is just kind of how it looks like. And you can go to 2025wrap.com and also share it on Snapchat or TikTok. So I didn't upgrade for it yet, but you will just see all the different photos. So then if you wanna to get some additional stats, you just need to kind of, if you wanna share it, then you just tap on TikTok and seems you can do it for free. So actually you do not need to upgrade, you only need to upgrade if you wanna see some additional stats.